Euclid St. Paul neighborhood began residential use in 1920 out of what used to be an orange grove, an eclectic mix of architectural styles and size of homes. Brick-lined streets, sidewalks, and mature landscaping all add to the charm of living in this neighborhood. Our newest listing, the Jewel Box, was built in 1925 and lovingly maintained by the current owners. The thoughtfully curated landscaping, you'll notice white stones from Mykonos, the red-pink sparkle stone from Bahamas, red lava rock and bamboo surrounding the Kura, and this beautiful variant of purple on the exterior. But let me go show you the interior. Let's go. The sellers have completed many important mechanical updates to this home, which offers a charming living space on the second floor with its own separate entrance to be used in a multitude of ways. The Euclid St. Paul Neighborhood Association has tons of activities and events year-round, giving you an opportunity to connect with the residents. Imagine hosting a party on this lovely patio. If you'd like to see this home or others in this neighborhood, contact the Journey Partners team today and be sure to follow us on social media.